Hey, welcome to Sailing Desire. This is Frank, and I'm Jessica. During the pandemic, we both quit our jobs working as engineers in aerospace to pursue the life we desire. We bought our boat in May 2021 and moved on to it full-time soon after. Baby? I don't know, I didn't like it. I don't know, I guess when you first, when you get up on it, it's just scary, man. Until you're actually under it, it's like, oh my god, it looks like we're gonna touch. This wake is pretty insane, baby. Hold on. That's wild. But we're in it now. Holy shit. That knocked some of the water off of our Bimini that always collects everywhere. It's a big ass boat. Okay.
We gotta turn more to starboard.
More?
Yeah. What's this heading?
120.
120?
Yeah.
Maybe 125. Should go up. Now we want to turn back to port to like 60 or 30.
You said 060?
Yeah.
We're at 070 right now.
How's it feel?
Fine.
Keep going. What's your amount off course? Bottom right.
0.56.
0.56, okay.
We're at 050 right now.
Heading?
I just said 050.
I was just asking you to repeat it because I didn't hear it. Where's your heading right now?
040.
Keep this.
Huh?
Keep that. Don't let it don't let it change you. What's your angle?
My bad. We have fallen way off. We're gonna go back to 030.
So
030.
Can you film and keep us at 030?
Yes.
Like within a 5-degree on off?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, we got some speed.
What are you looking at?
Well, it popped up to 6.3 for a second.
Can you move over to your that way? I don't know.
Like me or?
Yeah.
At 035. Six and a half knots. .7.
What's your heading?
030.
Right.
035-ish.
I'll ride this.
You can okay. Right in front of my head, the person who's helmet.
Sorry.
It's okay. Okay, so I turned a little to starboard and hit like a little slower. So it likes going to port, but we can't go too much to port.
Right.
And I saw like 6.6 or something. It said 6.62.
I would be here by 035. Like 10, 035. That's really as much north as we could go. We really want to go east. Let's play it by speed. We're going the fastest. like lean to your left, your body. All right.
Okay, just at some point, I would like you to put the camera to keep it on the sail.
Okay.
A little bit. Oh shit. 040 gave us 7 knots.
Try to keep that. Yeah, the 040 is in the right direction too.
Baby, heel.
Zero 40 still? What's the speed? We got a solid knot. It's sailed out. Possibly not. So, I know we do want to get there before dark. What do you think about bringing our RPM down like that? Want to try it out and see what it is at like 2,000 RPM? Right now, so we're at like 2,200 and then 2,000. What's that?
It's low. Yeah, no, it's
2,000 now? That's cool. What's our speed?
5.6.
So yeah, I guess we do need it. Are we still 0 for 0?
Yeah, 0.0.
So yeah, I think we need it. We'll put it back up. Yeah, we need that 6.5 knots. You try 0 for 0?
Yeah.
Try 0 4 5. Nice.
At 040.
It's blinking. I don't know what that means. But that's just recording.
Probably would do it.
You drop the if it would ever focus.